What's the meaning of Boeing 737? Boeing 737. Boeing 737.
Boeing 737. Boeing 737. The Boeing 737 is a narrowbody, short to medium-range airliner produced by Boeing Commercial Airplanes. It is the best-selling commercial jetliner of all time. The 737 series has been continuously manufactured since 1967 and has been upgraded with new technologies and models over the years. It is widely used by airlines around the world for both passenger and cargo transport. The aircraft's popularity is due to its reliability, fuel efficiency, and versatility, making it a favorite among low-cost carriers, major airlines, and charter companies alike. Overall, the Boeing 737 is a staple of modern air travel and an iconic symbol of the aviation industry.